Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can change language in Photoshop. For this, first open Photoshop. As you can see right now, it's in italic version. So what you can do, first do a right click on Photoshop icon, then open file location. Then what you have to do, search for locals, then select it. Then you can see this one is in italic. If your language, if you have another language, it will show here. So then select support files. Then from here you will see in the name of it italic. So if you don't find your language, what you can do is just go to view section and go for file name essentials. Just put a tick mark on it and you will got that. Or you can do another tricks. Just right click on it and select rename. Then now add .bak and then select yes, and it will be changed in English. And that's it. And that's how you can change language in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.